I'm Brian Christner, and this is The Byte, a bite-sized podcast about containers, cloud, and tech. Welcome back to The Byte. In this episode, we're going to talk about Komiser. Komiser. I'm most likely saying that incorrectly, but hey, we're going to run with it. Komiser is actually an Amazon environment inspector, and they claim that it actually can support Google GCP and Azure as well. Now, this open source project is quite amazing. I mean, it's a Docker run command. You can run on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, or run in a Docker container. One command, you're up and running, and then you access your local host, and you have a beautiful dashboard. I mean, it's really, really nice, intuitive. You see a dashboard of your cloud costs, your IAM users, your current bill, regions, alarms. And as you scroll around, you can go into compute, and you can actually see individual functions as well as like services within Amazon, for example. So you can see Lambda function invocations, errors, how many ECS clusters, how many ECS tasks, EKS clusters, and you can really dive down into the details on storage, network security. So it's like a all-in-one dashboard for your Amazon environment. So it gives you a lot more transparency than the Amazon dashboard does actually, and it's quite easy to do, easy to use. So once you get it up and running, you actually have to create a IAM user within Amazon, attach a policy to it, then give this dashboard your credentials. This allows it to actually see your environment and basically explore the different services that are running. It is extremely intuitive. I mean, I was really impressed of how well the dashboard is put together, and it's clean. You know, you have alerts, you can see service limits and AI. I mean, I'm walking around the dashboard as I'm discussing with you, and I'm incredibly impressed. And it is open source. I mean, this should be a product. And if you go to the Komiser website, it appears they have the open source version and they have enterprise, which has the enterprise version as recommendations engine, RBAC, alerts reporting, and premium support. I really feel this product is on track to become like a real SaaS solution. It's that well finished. It provides really intuitive information. They claim it's to really cover your bills, so uncovering hidden costs, monitoring increase in spending, impactful changes and custom recommendations, and what they highlight their features. You can basically analyze and manage your cloud costs, your usage, security, and governance all in one dashboard, and it visualizes across all your used services, so you can really see where you can adjust your pricing or your services to really take advantage of the cloud the best way. Vulnerabilities that could put your cloud environment at risk, and like I said before, it interfaces to Amazon, GCP, and Azure. They listed it on Product Hunt. It appears it got some traction on Product Hunt as well. Got about 88 upvotes, so it's not so like viral or anything, but I really believe it's well put together. And if you look at the documentation, it is also quite well put together. You can see the different providers. They have their own SaaS offering. They have tutorials. And on the GitHub page, if I click back here, back to GitHub, you can see that they have about 1,600 stars. So it's fairly good. I mean, it's very active. It's a clean dashboard. I'm going to start using it for our environments and start giving it a real go and see how it's going. I have it running locally, and I have it connected to my personal Amazon account to see how it all works. And I'm quite impressed. And the level of completeness in this UI is well put together. So that's all for this episode. Komiser, give it a try. Have a great day. Thank you for listening to this episode of The Byte. You can find the show notes at thebyte.io and follow me on Twitter at I Do My Own Tricks.